Learn SQLite in Neovim. Episode 5, Where clause. Filter your data. So far, select returns every row. But what if you only want some? Where filters rows based on a condition. Only matching rows appear. Today we build a music library and filter by year, duration, and artist. 6 comparison operators. Let's begin. We create where.sql for our music library. Insert mode. Comments and dot commands first. Dot mode column and dot headers on. Same setup as always. Create table songs. 5 columns for our music library. ID is the primary key. Title and artist are text. Year is integer. When the song was released. Duration seconds is integer. How long the song is. Table defined, closing parentheses and semicolon. Insert into songs. 8 rows using the multi-row syntax. Blinding Lights by The Weeknd, 2019, 200 seconds. Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen, 1975, a classic. Shape of You, Billie Jean. Different decades, different styles. Bad Guy, Hotel California. Watch the years and durations vary. Levitating, 2020. Almost done with our song list. Stairway to Heaven, Led Zeppelin, 1971. Our longest song at 482 seconds. Select star to see all 8 songs. Save and run. Save and run. Eight songs with 5 columns each. Now we start filtering with where. Where year equals 2019, the single equals sign means exact match. Save and run. Two songs, Blinding Lights and Bad Guy. Only the 2019 songs. Where year greater than 2000. The greater than sign filters for newer songs. Four songs from the 21st century. Everything before 2001 is excluded. Where duration greater than 300. Songs longer than 5 minutes. Three epic songs: Bohemian Rhapsody, Hotel California, Stairway to Heaven. Where works with text too. Artist equals Queen in single quotes. One result: Bohemian Rhapsody. Text comparison must be an exact match. Less than 210. The less than sign finds short songs. Three short tracks, all under 3.5 minutes. Exclamation equals means not equal. Everything except 2019. Six songs returned. The 2 from 2019 are excluded. GG. Review all our where queries from the top. Recap. 3 key takeaways. First, where filters rows. Add it after from to set your condition. Second, 6 operators. Equals, not equals, greater, less, greater or equal, less or equal. Third, where works with both numbers and text. Text values go in single quotes. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more SQLite tutorials. Next episode, and or, not.